hot pink nose. I used to go out, you know, and look for love. It was like a habit. It was the only fun. And then I found out a better way. One click of a log into the password, I was saved. Clear my lust and to fix my libido. But unbeknownst to me, I was gonna get carpal tunnel syndrome. You used to go out, I know, I looked for love. It wasn't yet a habit. It was only fun. It's a dirty secret, and it needs to be exposed. When all you really need is for your heart to be shown. It's gonna ruin your thinking and warp your mind. It's gonna stuff up your chances. It's gonna fuck with your hard drive. So you need to go out, you know, and look for love. And it can be a habit. It can be fun, fun, fun. So my advice to all you fellas sitting in there is take a chance, stay nice in your mind, and approach all the beautiful women out there. Some neoclassical conditioning in an Albert Bandura way. Because the obsolescence of women cannot be sustained in this way. What if you know what I'm talking about? It's just a click away. It's just a click away. She's just a lick away. She's just a lick away. It's just a click away. She's just a click away. It's just a kiss away. It's just a kiss away. It's just a kiss away. She's just a click away. It's just a click away. She's just a kiss away. It's just a lick away. She's just a click away. It's just a click away. epic noise. Woo!